Hi everyone, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can fix your ear speaker or calling speaker problem in your device Z6 Lite 5D. So in Z6 Lite 5D, if you're facing any kind of ear or calling speaker problem, you can fix it by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix your ear speaker or calling speaker problem.